So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In today's video, I will guide you with how you can fix Discord not opening on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So first of all, check date and time on your Windows PC. You can check it on your taskbar. If the date and time is incorrect, then right click on it and now click on adjust date and time. Now here, turn on this toggle next to set time automatically and then turn on this toggle next to set time zone automatically. Once done, click on sync now. And once you do this, this will set correct date and time. Close this window. And now check if Discord opens up or not. If the issue is still not fixed, then try killing Discord from the background and reopen it. For this, right click on the taskbar. Now click on Task Manager. Now here search for Discord. And as you can see here, Discord is running in background. Select it. Now click on End Task. Now once you do this, close this window. And now reopen Discord. And this should fix the issue. The next way to fix this issue is to clear Discord folder from app data. Here's how. Press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. And this will open Run dialog box. Here type %app data % and press enter. Now this will open app data folder. Now here select Discord and press Shift plus delete key on your keyboard. Click on yes and this will delete it. Now once you do this, reopen Discord. Click on the start icon, type Discord and press enter to open it. Now this will check for the updates and now Discord should work properly on your system. In case the issue is still not fixed, then restart Discord. For this, open the settings app on your Windows PC. To open settings, press Windows plus I key on your keyboard. Now, on the left pane, click on Apps. Now here click on Installed Apps. Now here scroll down. And next to Discord, click on these three dots. Click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again. And this will uninstall Discord from your PC. Once done, close this window. Now, open the browser on your PC. Here type Discord download. Click on this first link. Click on download for Windows. And this will start downloading Discord. Wait until the setup is downloaded. Once the setup is downloaded, open the File Explorer. For this, press Windows plus E key on your keyboard. Now, on the left pane, click on Downloads. And now double click on Discord setup. And now as you can see here, Discord is installed. And now Discord should work on your PC. In case the issue is still not resolved, then you can use the web version of Discord as a workaround. So for this, open the browser. Now here search for Discord. Click on this first link. After this, log into your account. And you can now use Discord web on your PC. So these are some ways to fix Discord not opening on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So I hope you find this video useful. And for more such videos, subscribe this channel. So, see you in the next one. Till then, bye.